Hey there, Rob Decker here with National Park Posters, and today I'm thrilled to share something extraordinary with you. Our best-selling national park posters feature the most iconic views of our national parks, from the grandeur of the Grand Canyon to the majesty of the Yosemite Valley. They're not just posters, they're a way to celebrate your own national park adventures, igniting conversations with friends and family about the importance of protecting our parks for future generations. Imagine waking up every day to the beauty of your favorite national park displayed on your wall. These posters are perfect for your home, office, and even home office. They bring the outdoors in, reminding us of the stunning landscapes waiting to be explored. Each poster is meticulously crafted and printed on Conservation, a 100% recycled paper stock with soy-based inks, making them not only stunning, but also eco-friendly and sustainable. When you bring these posters home, you're celebrating your favorite national parks, and you're contributing to their preservation because I donate 10% of annual profits to organizations that support our national parks. So when you purchase from National Park Posters, you're part of something bigger, ensuring these parks will be there for future generations to explore and cherish. National Park adventures await. Discover your favorites today.